G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider with an end of year vlog. Certainly been an interesting year this year. Even though I've spent a lot of time in lockdown this year, I've had some great rides and met some great people. How are you doing? Staying there. And my channel's grown quite a bit this year. I've had about 70,000 views. 3,600 hours watched and 400 subscribers in the last year. So that's not bad going. So thank you to everybody who's watched, liked, commented and subscribed. It's all appreciated. I must admit I've thought of quitting the channel several times throughout the year. It's been pretty tough. Lots of times you think, why am I doing this? I still don't know. For the most part I do enjoy making videos though. I mostly like the riding videos. You kind of get to relive the ride again, and it's great to have that memory up there of those rides. Something you can look back on in years to come. There hasn't been a makeover video for a while, and that's because I've been riding the bike rather than working on it. I still plan on doing a lot more to the bike. So what I found with the bike so far, with the work I have done, it feels a lot more nimble, it's easier to manoeuvre. Where the bike's been best is riding around suburbs like this, around all this tight stuff. It's much easier to flick the bike around. But off-road it is still a heavy bike with limited ground clearance and limited suspension travel. It's just a bit lighter. It does feel better. It's a lot easier to manoeuvre when you're in tight stuff, and when you get stuck somewhere it's a lot easier to get out. Riding on the streets like this, it actually reminds me of my old Triumph Speed Triple. Got a very similar feel to it, just without all the power. Come on, go! Oh, you dick. It was great to meet Baz66 on the weekend. We had a great ride up in Lerderderg with his brother Chris. He's just put a video out today. I haven't had a chance to watch it yet. Mine should be coming out in the next couple of days. I'll probably put this video out first. But in a final twist to this year, we've been given an eviction notice. They're selling the house we rent. So I'll be busy looking for a new house and packing all our gear up again. So it might be a while before we get any more videos out, riding or anything else. So in the new year there'll be a new Oz ADV Rider headquarters. And I've also set up a merch store with Redbubble. At the moment I've just got my Oz ADV Rider logo in black or white, but I'm looking at doing a few more shirt designs, so we'll see how that goes. So all the best for the new year, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Oh, what's going on here?